Hi, this is Vicky.
And this is Jo.
And we're the Two Natural Ladies. And did you know that we do parties? And when we were discussing it this morning, and Vicky said, we'd love to do a Two Natural Ladies party. So we're going to do a Two Natural Ladies party. But of course, at first I was thinking Vicky was letting us, we were going to go to parties like 60th birthday parties, weddings, funerals. We're available for anything.
Yes, Jo did misunderstand when I said let's do some parties. She's like, okay, and then she realised. So
Yeah.
we are talking specifically Tri Nature parties because we're a bit of fun, and the Tri Nature products are so amazing. We want to share them with everyone, and we want to give you benefits for helping us share the products with absolutely everyone. You know, they're unique, they're Australian. They've been on the market 30 years.
Lots of research and development, and great for people with sensitive skin.
Great
Great for the environment.
Yep.
And Workout so economical.
Yep.
Just incredible when you show people the differences between the supermarket products and our products and the amount you save. It's huge, hundreds and hundreds of dollars per year.
Yeah, so there's really, when you get to have a look at it properly, there's no actually, I don't see any reason why not to switch to Tri Nature products. And so we want to, we think, and we know that getting people are busy. People are always busy, but if you get people together for a coffee or a champagne for an hour or two, they've got time to think. And that's when we want to actually have a really enjoyable chat, and so people can find out for themselves what we're on about.
Yep.
And then choose.
Yep.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for a date when we're going to have a Tri Nature party.
Or if you'd like your own, you'd like to book us to come to you in your house.
We'd love to come along.
Yes.
And have some fun and, show you the benefits that we've just discussed.
So we are available.
We are.
So please book us.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.